alias o totoong pangalan? Yan yung tanong sa Piatos at sa iba pang mga pangalan. Yan yung tanong kay Attorney Wamil. And sinabi rin ni Attorney Wamil na posibleng mga alias yung Mary Grace Piatos at Auntie Lim at ang iba pa. And walang nakasaad sa mga resibo kung mga alias ito o kung tunay na pangalan nito.
Is the official position of the respondent with regard to Piatos, Andy Lim, and all of these names that are brought up? Are they real people or are they aliases?
Sir, I would like to answer a question, Your Honor, but that is part of the
yes,
legal strategy, which you will see when we present our evidence in chief.
That's
Again,
fine.
may the
That's
chair,
fine,
may the
but I understand the question.
remind Senator Judge Bam, as far as practical, let's let the witness present their evidences and not allow the counsels to make conclusions of either fact or law, nor divulge their respective legal theories.
These are not legal theories. In your previous answers, there was no referral to these individuals as either aliases or real people. In
Correct.
your previous answers.
Correct, because that was precisely our legal theory then, that there was nothing to answer at that point, Your Honors.
Alright.
Your Honors. But
Alright.
we will definitely show you our theory once we are given the opportunity to present our evidence in chief, Your Honor.
Alright, maraming salamat, Attorney Powa. Attorney, during your conversation with the OVP, nung panahong binubuo yung AOM, may nagbanggit ba sa kanila na, itong mga pangalan to, alias to? Or never nila nabanggit yung tungkol sa alias nung nag-meeting sila sa'yo?
Nung time po na yun kasi hindi pa nila nasubmit yung documentary evidence of payments po.
So there's never been any indication from their responses or any calls that these names that are being brought up are indeed aliases? Wala.
Wala pong indication.
Okay, thank you. Yung ibang ahensya na ino-audit ninyo, gumagamit rin ba sila ng alias?
We wouldn't know po kasi yung dun sa mga document na sinasubmit sa amin, hindi naman po naka-indicate if it is an alias or not.
And it's not up to you to find out whether these are aliases or not.
Yes po, since wala naman pong provision dun sa joint circular, Your Honor, with respect to the
Kumbaga walang linaw, walang patunay. So paano natin malalaman kung totoo itong mga to?